How to make money on YouTube by making true crime videos. Yes, today I will show you how you can make money by making long format videos in the crime niche on YouTube. In addition, I will show you 2 examples of channels in this niche with low subscribers, and we will examine them together. First of all, you should ask yourself some questions before creating such channels. For example, you need to ask yourself some questions such as, what do I expect from this channel? Will I be able to prepare videos regularly? Am I ready for this? Because many people give up because they don't get views in the first days after starting this business. Maybe they quit this business at the point of full explosion and disappointed. Whether you take note of the sample channels I will show you or the channels you find by searching on YouTube, examine their videos, catch the tricks in the introductions of their popular videos, and write them down. After watching certain videos in the crime niche, when you start preparing the videos, you should pay close attention to the video editing when you will start preparing the videos. You should prepare an exciting video with an impressive smooth vocalization, non-boring transitions, and viewers should feel that tension in the video. You can use some music in the background for this. Now that we've given these tips, let's start with our first sample channel. The name of this channel is Crime Truths, and although it shared this content 2 weeks ago, it is getting very good views and building an audience. You can take this channel as an example. Video durations are usually over 20 minutes and some videos are over 1 hour long, which allows more money to be earned from these videos. With a good scenario, you can do this kind of work. If we look at the thumbnails of the videos, it is prepared in an intriguing way. The writings are written in red and white colors and the thumbnail is completed with a person related to the video and arrows on the right sides of the video. The atmosphere of the very successful crime niche is captured here. In this way, this channel will grow more and more. Even when I looked at this channel, it had 1,000 subscribers and started throwing videos 8 days ago. And now it has been 2 weeks and has reached 2,000 subscribers. Yes, the name of this channel is Crime Story Diaries. This channel, which has 16,000 subscribers, has reached these subscribers with 45 videos, started throwing videos 4 months ago. Thumbnails are extremely high quality and prepared in a way that attracts the audience. A video has been watched around 600,000 video times. Just like the other channel, you can start making money from YouTube by preparing a channel like this with you. But before you do this, you need to ask yourself questions like, what can I add to such videos? If you do things that these channels have never done in their videos, if you add originality, this will both increase your views, and this will take you further than them. It is not a coincidence to be successful on YouTube. When preparing these channels, people think and plan well, and when writing the script, they manage to keep the audience in the video by writing in a style aimed at the audience and then recommending YouTube videos. When you stop making money from your channel by starting this kind of content, you can transfer this job to someone else and switch to another channel so that when you create more than one channel that makes money in this way and hire video editors and designers to work on these channels, you will start doing YouTube automation. You usually earn more from YouTube videos when you target the middle-aged segment of your videos, so your niche is very important here. I want to make a video series where I show niches like in this video, so I will decide whether to continue according to the interaction of this video. So if you like it, don't forget to press the like button and leave a comment. You can get help from artificial intelligence in some places while making these videos, but I do not recommend you to have artificial intelligence script your video. In this way, YouTube may not open your monetization. Instead, you can decorate your video by getting help in certain places. As young people today, we want to gain financial freedom and we are looking for ways to do it. What we call YouTube automation is really one of the rare businesses that you can enter with zero capital. You can open a channel for free with just a computer and the internet, edit your videos, and start making money after a certain time. After creating your brand, you will receive advertising and collaborations, and in this way, you will increase your income more. We will walk this path together. I try to help you as much as I can. I hope you will be successful.